Okay, I promise this will not continue in our next class. Please, did anybody still have a question, or we can easily move on?
No, sir.
Okay, that means no question, right? Okay. So okay, if we are with our laptops, can we have a little bit of a conversation? If you are here and you are taking this course, can you at least like unmute yourself, tell me your expectations, what you expect and what you intend to do with the knowledge you are going to get, and what field of programming or what did you want to use this knowledge for? Did you want to go into data science? Do you want to go into software development? Do you want to go into web development? What exactly did you want, so that we know how to structure the curriculum to suit the needs of everyone? And from the registration, I discovered that most of us are working, and we are going to discuss the days that are more appropriate for us to be able to catch up with this class. And if most people that live in Lagos, I know of the traffic in Lagos and the stress. So we are going to discuss that and have a proper class. It may not be here on this Zoom, it may be in our chat forum, WhatsApp, or we'll create a Slack account later. But for now, we use WhatsApp that everybody is used to and can easily reach. So can you tell me the aspects of Python you go into? And that reminds me, I'm supposed to explain most of the aspects of Python aside those, but no worries, we'll do that as we continue much in the course. Hello. So do we have anybody that
Yes, sir.
so do we have people that here that are aspiring for data science, that are aspiring for algorithmic trading, that are aspiring for software development or web development?
That's science and web development.
Your
Hello, good evening.
good evening, sir.
My name is Malik Mustafa.
Okay.
I would like to go into software development and web design.
Okay, software development or web development. Okay, that is good. Okay, thank you, Malik, for that. Malik Christopher. Malik is a Muslim name and Christopher is a Christian name.
Malik Mustafa.
Okay, Malik Mustafa. That both names are Muslim names. Okay, welcome, Malik. We are happy to have you, and thank you for that feedback. It will let me know the type of tools we'll use and how to structure the course. And Mr. Ahmed said he's going for data analysis and web development. Okay, that is fine. Did we have any other person that want to tell us what he or she is aspiring to go into? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. If no, but please try to mute your mic if you are not talking. If no one is talking, I think I will have to continue to the installation.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
I'm Nechavan. My name is Nechavan Dibu.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm based in South Africa. I'm doing astrophysics.
You are doing astrophysics. You are studying astrophysics in
Yeah,
university. Wow, that's a nice
at
and
the
also a tough course.
yeah. So we do use Python for a lot of things like data analysis and computational method.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would like to learn Python so that I can use the skills to do more in my qualification.
Okay, that is nice. Though I can't pronounce your name entirely, or I did not get the pronunciation of your name. We are so happy to have you here, and we will give our best to have you in line with what we are doing. Since you have a bit of experience with programming, what tools did you use at the moment? So you said you do much of data analysis, so I will assume you are familiar with Jupyter Notebook, right?
Yeah, I use Jupyter Notebook.
Okay, aside Jupyter Notebook, what else did you use?
I only use Jupyter Notebook.
Okay, so I can say you are based mostly on data analysis.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I was asking to know which of the two to use. So since we have people coming into software and data science, we are going to use both Jupyter Notebook and PyCharm.
Oh, okay, sure. So how long is this program last?
We have the introduction for the basics for just 1 month. So after the basics, we will continue to the advanced, but we want from the advanced, we want to know exactly what everybody wants. That is why we want the basics first before we move and spread that to other fields that everybody wants to specialize in. So this introduction is just for 1 month. I think for 1 month is okay for everybody to get to grab the basic and the basics and be a start or if a bit proficient in what they want to do.
So is the advanced going to be free or we will be required to subscribe?
It depends on the outcome of this one. If the people are serious and they come regularly and the numbers are good, it will be free because one of the reasons we don't do free things that people don't value free things and they tend to take it for granted. So if I see the zeal here is much and everybody is willing to move good, we can do it for free.
Oh, okay, sure.
Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, it is. Thanks.
Okay, you are welcome.
Sir,
Any other
yes, sir.
question?
Hello, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good
Please,
evening,
sir,
ma'am.
yes, sir, can you please help us to explain how we are to install the Python? My network locked me out, so I'm kind of lost.
Okay,
What
we
do I
have
do?
not. Okay, thank you for that. We have not started the installation. So after this, I am going to show you how to do the installation.
Okay, sir. All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome. Any other question?
I have a question, sir.
Okay, what's your question? Hello, sir. I don't think we can hear you.
Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, sir?
Hello, sir. I
Yeah,
can hear you.
can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir, I can.
Well, my
Hello. Hello.
hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you. I think my network kind of fluctuated. Okay, can we proceed?
Okay, sir. I was saying that I know that it's actually important for one to have an idea, like let me say a very good idea of more than one languages. That helps a lot. But I want to ask, if one just focuses on Python alone and makes it his sole aim to learn on Python, he just specializes in Python alone, that's to give that person an edge.
Okay. Is that all the question?
And the second question is I don't know, does spider also work? We talked about Python, but spider, does it also work as effectively as the first two you mentioned, the first two IDEs you mentioned, Jupyter and Python?
Okay. Did you have another question, or should I answer this once you have asked?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. So your first question is if you concentrate on Python, will you be relevant and be marketable enough, or will you miss opportunities in the markets? I think that is the question, right?
Yes,
So, okay. The thing there is in programming or in computer languages, they all use same concepts and everything is similar. The only thing that is different is just the syntax and the rule that is different in other languages. So if you start with Python, for instance, if you get to know Python very well, and if you want to pick another language, it will be very easy. So if you want to pick another language, it's not like you are going to learn the rules, the syntax from scratch. You just learn the syntax of that language. Some of the rules are aligned with other languages, but there are some that are native to that particular language. So you just learn the rules that are native to that language and know how to use it better. But if you want to stick with one language, that is good. That means you are going to know the language in out, and you are going to build a lot of things with it. And once you know it very well and you are very good with it, I don't think you have any need of learning another language, except a need comes for it. I think the only reason why most people don't want to be experts in a language is most people don't pay experts. They are not able to pay experts. So they just tend to stop as proficient and move to another one. But if you are an entrepreneur or you want to manage things and you want to do something in a particular language, it's good for you to stick to one language. It's not a bad thing. But if you want to increase the opportunities and you want to be able to take as much opportunities as you can add another language. And it's good. It's fine. So for your second question is Spider okay? Yes, Spider is very much okay. Actually, any IDE or text editor that works for you is very good. As for me, that will be taking the course. There is one I prefer and there's one I work with and I know it out, and it should be easier for me to work with. That is why I will prefer PyCharm. I don't know if that answers your question. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Are you very clear?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Do we have another question? Hello? Yes, I can hear you, ma. Please, your name and the question.
Okay, my name is Lawrence. My question is for someone that does not have an idea of programming or Python So, is it advisable for the person to continue with this class having a bit of programming? Because I really want to learn about this. I don't know if I should continue or if I just because most of the things used here I'm not familiar with them.
Okay. Christiana, right? That's her
No,
name? Oh,
Maureen. No,
your name is Dory.
Maureen. Maureen.
Okay, Dory, right? Okay. You are
No,
welcome. Hello.
Maureen. MAURW. Maureen.
Maureen. Okay. You are welcome. The line is, I don't know, your voice is actually breaking. I don't know if you can hear me very well.
I can hear you.
Okay, so Maureen, this course is an introduction, so it is actually for core beginners, not for advanced people. So
Okay.
it's actually more for you than the people that already have experience, because it goes from the scratch. So it is good for you, and it's a very good start for you. So I will advise you attend all the classes and be very attentive to follow along.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, you are welcome. Do you have another question? Hello? Hello? Okay, in the absence of any question, let's move to the installation. So if you can see where I am, if you want to install, you go to python.org. You will see where to click download. Let me put up my screen and show you where that is. So Mr. Quadri, you are an IT support, and I think you already have good experience here, and you can help us out with the class as we go on. Where is Python? Python.org. Please, can you mute your, that's, I think, Joy. Okay. Okay, if you can see my screen is, this is where I am. Let me copy this to the chat. So if you want to install Python, I send the link to you on the chat. I will send it to your WhatsApp as well. So I've sent it to both the chats here and the WhatsApp. So you click on this link. Once you click on the link, you have exactly what I have on my screen. Hello? So you have exactly what I have on my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you get here, you click on download. Can you see where I am? So if you click on download, we have different versions of Python actually. We have Python 2 and we have Python 3, but the one that is used right now is Python 3. So we are going to go much with Python 3, and I'm not going to say anything about Python 2. Hello. So if you are going to install, you are going to install the latest version, which is Python 3.10.6. Hello, and you can see there's a warning here. If you have Python 7 or earlier, you cannot be able to use Python 3.9. And I think anybody that is tech savvy should not be using Windows 7 at this point, because even Microsoft stopped support for it, and you are very much vulnerable to attacks and viruses. So it's best you upgrade to Windows 10 or Windows 11. I just joined here, ma. Is there any form of introduction? Because I am seeing data analysis with development. Okay, Mr. Philip, you are late, and I hope next class you will not be late. Actually, what the people were putting there was their expectations and where and what they aspire to learn and the advanced form of Python they want to go into. So much people were saying they want to go into data science, and much people were saying they want to go into web development. So that is the part to solve. So you have missed some of the introduction, but you have not missed much because we are still going to say some things about the introduction later. You can just follow up with the class, put on your system and try to install Python and get ready for the next class. Are you okay now, Mr. Philip?
Yes, ma. Thanks so much.
Sorry, I am not. Is my voice that tiny on your mic? Hello, my name is Christopher.
It's loud. I think probably it's network.
Or probably is my headset. But is my voice clear enough?
Maybe.
Okay. So are we here? Is anybody following up with the installation?
Yes, I'm following up with installation.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
okay, thank you. So you click on Python 3.0. Python 3.10.6 and sorry, are you on Mac or on the Are you on Mac or Linux or Windows laptop? If you are on Windows laptop, please let me know. If you are on Mac, let me know so that I will know. Okay, thank you, Miss Elizabeth. Your installation is complete. Well done. So the first installation I'm going to take here, this is for Windows. So you just click on download. If you can see on my screen, you click on download and what are you guys seeing on your screen? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Malik, what
Okay,
actually happened is that my system is Windows 7, my window is Windows 7, and I cannot get Windows 10 this night. So can I still use the Windows 7 to download the version?
yes, download a version that is available for your Windows for now, but please try to update your system because you should not be using Windows 7 at this point.
Okay, sir. Thanks so much, sir.
Okay, you are welcome. Is any other person following up with the installation or having questions, or you are using a system aside Windows, aside the Windows? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm hearing you, sir.
Yo, so who is following up with the installation? Who is lost? So who is using a Mac or a Linux or an Ubuntu system, a Linux system? Hello? Hello? Can you see my installation screen at all? Hello.
Hi, sir.
Okay. So who is following up
Yes,
with
sir.
the,
I've not been able to install.
but you have
Um,
downloaded, right?
I've downloaded. I can see here for loop on a list, some numbers at the right hand side, all the flow you would expect, and so on and so forth.
Okay, let me see. What can you see on my screen? Can you see my installation?
I can see your screen.
Can you see install Python 3 point something? Hello? Okay, hold on. Let me try to. Hello. Okay, can you see it now? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay, so can you see my screen? Can you see my installation screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so you click on add to parts. Make sure you click this add to parts. You can see where I take that add Python 3.1 Python 3.10 to parts. Did you click on that? So the next thing is you
Okay,
click
let me
on, okay, the next thing you click on install now. And you can see I have installed it before, so I should not be installing again, but it's fine. Oh, I think this meeting may end soon. I'll have to start back again. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Are we following?
The link, can you put the link on the chat, sir? On the chat.
So
The
you
link
are
of the
yet
to click
to
on.
download.
I've done it. I'm trying to. It just went out. I'm trying to do it again.
Oh, are you not on the WhatsApp group? Because the link is on the WhatsApp group. And that is it. I just sent it. Hello.
Hello, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. Who is still following up with the installations, or who is done with the installations?
I'm done with installation, sir.
Oh, that's nice. So we have just like one person left. Is anybody on Mac or Linux that want to install so I can guide the person through that installation too? Okay, so I assume there's nobody with Mac or Linux because those come pre-installed with Python and you may just have to upgrade. So if it's only Windows, I can say we are done with the installation, and anybody that is saying less can just let me know so I can put the person through. This will be all for today, bro. I think okay, let's have a discussion for the people working on working days. Is this time okay for you, or should we do it only on weekends?
Weekend would be preferable.
Weekend is preferable. Okay. So any other person's opinion, you can still write your opinion in the WhatsApp group and let us know how to fix the time to suit everyone.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, I can hear you.
Is it going to be every day?
No,
Hello?
it cannot
Is it
be
going to be
every
every
day.
day?
No, it cannot be every day because a lot of people will not meet up. So I'm thinking we should have 3 classes a week.
3 classes a week. Okay. Okay.
Yes. So we want to know the days that work better for people that are working. Okay, Miss Elizabeth said weekends was better for her.
That should be the weekend. That would be Friday, Saturday.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So is that okay for everybody? Do we agree on that?
Yes, sir. We agree on that.
Okay, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday it is. So who is still left with the installation? Who still need help with introduction? Because our class will soon end and we call it a night till Friday.
I've already installed it already. I've installed it already.
Okay.
But is it just installation for tonight?
Yes, we did introduction and installation. I think our time is fast spent. So let's just rest with what we have for today. I will send the introduction slide to you guys, and by next class we are going into strings and numbers. So in our next class will be longer than this because it's going to be more practical and more engaging. For today, we just did introduction and installation. That is all in preparation for the next class, which I assume more people are going to come because lots of people did not turn up for this. So let's do a little practicals for others. We actually have 90 people signed up for this, and we are having less than 30 people. So. Okay, please do send the days of the week. So I think we agreed Friday, Saturday.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean, the time will be 9 o'clock Nigeria time too, huh?
Yes. Does that work better for everyone?
Okay. Because though I joined,
hello.
I said though I joined a bit late, but I still meet up. I joined around 9:30.
Okay, that's fine. So the 9 works better for everybody.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
It's actually a question.
Yes, that's my question.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Phillips. The time is perfect. So if we have all done our installation, we can call it a night.
Okay, thank you. Good night, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate, and I hope we have a very good class and get to learn a lot. Also, network and holds you in ways you can start ending with what you are.
Yeah, sorry. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, please, I'm still trying to install to set up the installation. But it's not moving since. Okay, now it's going. Sorry. Thank you. So sorry.
Okay, I think your
But
system
for the
is a bit
past,
slow there.
yes, for the past 3 minutes, it's just stand still there. So, but now
Okay,
it's moving.
okay, thank God for
Moving
that.
now.
It's
Thank-
going to.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you,
You're
sir.
welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah.
So, who else is having an issue?
I'm still having mine. I've been having issue.
Okay. What is happening?
I'm still on that aspect of downloading.
Okay, it is still downloading.
I want to download what it brought like two aspects, latest Python 3 release and latest Python 2, and I click on Python 3. So
Okay. Okay, so Python 3 is okay.
yes. Okay. I'm still on.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. If you have done your installation, you can exit the class and can leave us with